and then this goes with it and goes woo, woo. Trying to make a sound effect, what it sounds like. Alright, working on this Honda Accord. This worked from like 99 to 2004-ish, 5-ish I believe. So the windshield wipers were not working, and I had to pull this cover off right here. There's 3 clips that hold it in. One's here, one is right there, and one right there as well. And what it exposes you to is the what do you call it, wiper arm assembly. And what had happened, so to get the first thing you need to do is take off the windshield wipers. These are 14 millimeters. I just took these off and put them back on, so I know exactly where to, so I wouldn't lose them. Sorry, the sun is so bright. What happened right here is that this little arm has come undone, right? So it just goes like this, goes in a circle. This goes around 360 degrees, and then this goes with it and goes woo, woo. Trying to make a sound effect, what it sounds like. But it goes like this. And there's a little clip that this goes into. I had thought about using some like piano wire or a way to rig this. But what I found out, if it lays flat like this, it kind of gets caught up on this nut. So what I did, I went to O'Reilly Auto Parts and got this wiper linkage bushing assortment kit. Number is 49447. So there's different assemblies in here, different bushings, and we just got to find the right one and put it into the arm and pop it on. But let's open this thing up and take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like you have 4 different types, 4 different styles. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would just be a matter of finding the correct one that works for you. It comes with these instructions. Let's see if it says anything about Hondas. But I'm thinking this one right here is the one we're going to need to use. Nope, doesn't tell you anything about which one to use, but I'm going to try this one right here. But after I get it installed, make sure that this ball is facing, or the cavity is facing down like this. And once I get it in there, I'll put a little bit of grease on the inside to give the motor, the little ball, some anti-friction in there. So put a little bit of grease, help with the movement. Let's go see if I can put this in. So you can see right here where the front cowl sits would be right here, and you can see all this dirt and grime and nastiness below the windshield, which would probably be a good idea. Go ahead and blow all that stuff out. It fits there. So it fits there. Let's see if and don't do that. Don't lose it back there. So it has to be this one right here. It's too big to push it up through. So you gotta get these little lips. Let's see, there's 4 sections. Get these 4 sections to click in there. So I just have a standard regular heat gun, nothing special. This is a Wagner. I've had this a long time. You can pick these up from, Lowe's, Home Depot. I've seen them at Harbor Freight for pretty inexpensive prices. So I'm going to take this thing off. Hold it on the tip right here. Have it on the low setting. Do this about 30 seconds. Ooh, that is warm. Okay. Did I get it? Well, it looks like it's all the way through. Yep. Looks like it's all the way through. So, heating that thing up with a heat gun. 20 seconds on low. Now get some grease. Grease the inside and push it on and see if it works. Have some mobile grease on my finger. Go ahead and put it inside the ball. Put it on this one here. Put on the ball itself. Let's see if I can get it to... There we go. It's on. All right, let's see if it works. I don't see why it shouldn't. All right, so it works. Awesome. If you wanted to, you could pull this whole assembly out. It's not hard at all. That 10mm bolt right there. And then this thing kind of, you have to disconnect obviously the electrical motor, but then there's 3 pins that hold it on this side, which aren't hard to get off. So, all right guys, that's how you fix your wiper blades on the Honda. This will probably work on your Ridgelines, your Pilots, your CLs, your TLs, your Accords, Civics, and less than $5. I actually had to use 2 of those clips. I destroyed the first one, heating it up too much. So key thing to note is don't heat it up too much. Alright guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to BundysGarage on YouTube. Take it easy.